So guys, Microsoft C++ redistribution, how to uninstall. First click to control panel, type control panel, then view by category and click to uninstall program. Then scroll down, you can see here all the C++ has uninstalled. Yes. One by one. One by one uninstall guys. Okay, thank you. So guys, how to download Microsoft C++ redistributions. Open any browser, Google search box to as it is same. Go to this first URL. This is the Learn Microsoft officially website. So you can scroll down. You can see here 64 and then clicked. After that, just single click. You can see here setup. Otherwise, you can go to here to do. Then guys, I agree the license team and conditions to install and then click to yes. Now you can see this installing. Okay, thank you. After that guys, single restart required for your system. Thank you. So guys, how to repair Microsoft C++. So click to start, type control panel, then guys view by category and then click to uninstall program. Slow down and find out Microsoft C plus Virtual C++ C here. Okay, and click to change, then click to repair and then yes. Okay, then try restart and check. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.